New tool, new video. Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse, somewhere in Southern California. Today, talking typewriter reels, ribbon, how to replace, faster, better, easier. So this is what we get when you order ribbon from somewhere, but these plastic reels look nothing like maybe the reel you have. Maybe it looks something like this. Maybe it's a little dude. Maybe it's all metal. There's all sorts of different cool stuff. Rule number one, okay to wear gloves. Don't ask me how I know that. Imagine if this was on my hands instead of on the gloves. So you bump your camera stand and then you put your nitro gloves on. You take this sucker and in comes this. Not the drill. This, aka Speedy Spooler. I put this sucker together here in my handy dandy little machine shop. A few other cool parts just for the purpose of getting these spools figured out. So what we'll do, we'll put our appropriate reel for our machine. We're going to spool up some ribbon pretty fast and easy, because otherwise we're sitting there doing this all day. Nobody wants to do that. That takes too much time. So unhook it, get that sucker out of there. One of my favorite things to do in putting this in, you got to get the ribbon to grab that tang there. There we go. Okay. So now the supply reel that holds the ribbon you want onto your appropriate reel, we're going to get it on there and away we go. Ta-da! And just like that, this thing is golden, all ready to go. However, what if you're really super cool, you got like an old Royal K or Remington noiseless, and you got this super cool collar? Well, these collars are great. However, there's no way for this to work. So that's where this guy comes in. This great little, you see it's beveled. Put that in the way. Get the collar on. Let's do it this way. Then the flat washer again. Give this sucker a little jiggle jiggle. It goes pretty darn straight. And tighten. And let's see. We'll go here. We'll go here. Get it in that tang. Oh, luckily there was already a hole. Of course, these would not have eyelets. If you do get the ribbon with eyelets, feel free to cut the eyelets off. I already cut these off. These super cool, funky eyelets. They work great with the self-feeding direction machine, so it grabs the little tongs and gets it going. Anywho, make sure you cut those off as needed. Our good buddy Dwayne Jensen over at Phoenix Typewriters would show us as such. I sure have learned a lot from that guy. Check out his videos if you can. Dwayne Jensen, Phoenix Typewriters. Okay, want to roll this? Here we go. Moderate is okay. And we're at the end. Get it off of this guy. Come here. Just like that. This sucker's ready for your noiseless or whatever else. So yes, this product's up on eBay. I'll put a nice link in the bottom. Got a few other things on it on the website, typewritermuse.com. Look at that. All good to go. Black and red if you want. You could do all black. Maybe you're working off a large reel, the kind you get from Baco. It'll work for that. But regardless, this is the Speedy Spooler. And boy, I wish this thing was invented and out for sale a few years ago when I started playing with typewriters. Okay, some guy named Bob Marshall, welcome to my bench. Hope you enjoyed the instructional video on the Speedy Spooler, found on eBay. Click in the link below. That's down there. typewritermuse.com.